Ooh, baby. The Dow down 1,032 points to end the day. This is Thursday, February 8th, 2018, and the markets continue to be bearish. We're watching this quite closely. I'm D7. I'll be your guest and host here for the next few moments, giving you the best technical analysis. Look here. Spiders down 3.75%. The diamonds down 4%. NASDAQ down 4+%. Russell's down 3%. Financials off 4.4%. Crude oil down 2.3%. Gold, silver slightly higher. VIX spiking higher, nearly 21%. We're now over 33. Bitcoin higher by 7%. GBTC up 2%. Here we are looking at the markets, guys. Wow. We're breaking all sorts of supports. Okay, look at this. This is the spider. We drop. We tried to bounce off an area of support. We came up, hit resistance, and then we broke major support. I mean, the last time we were at this level, I mean, puts us back. I mean, we've given all, in the last 3 months, we've given back within all of our gains in a matter of days. Just a significant sell-off on big volume. Guys, let that not be lost on you. If you look here at the weekly chart, and speaking of the weekly, when I do the weekend edition, all eyes, all hands on board, everybody should watch this weekend edition video. It is one not to miss. Here it is, the weekly. Big drop. The week's not even over yet, and we've already smashed major support levels. The monthly is the most damning. I mean, we're only 8 days in, and we come flying down, crashing, big area that should have been easy support, but it snapped it like a twig. Now, this could rally back by months in. And if the next few weeks we rally back to where we were at these recent highs, all is well in the world. But if we continue to be bearish for the remainder of this month, we're done for a number of months. Short that market. Okay. Now, let me say this. I have not lost any money in this. Now, this is not me gloating. This is me saying that technical analysis has always been my friend. It has helped me know when to be out of the markets, when to be bullish, and when to be bearish. I have not gone bearish yet because I'm waiting for the right setup. When the setup presents itself, I will be bearish. But until that time, I'm sitting on my hands in the market. This is easily teach. I can help you with that. Speaking of that, I just found out today I will be in Las Vegas. I've been asked to come to the 10X with Grant Cardone. And so I'll be there. But I'm staying an extra day. So I'll be there Sunday, the 25th of this month, so a couple weeks from now. And I'm going to offer that day for 1 day of mentoring for you and your spouse, you and your friend, or you and a small group in Las Vegas on Sunday. We can talk about what type of fee arrangement that would be. You would have to come to Vegas, and you'd have to find a hotel in Vegas for that time. It'd be 1 day with me. Speaking of making money, our chat room, we are making money. There's a way to make money in this market. And if you have been trading for a while, definitely if you've been through the mentorship, but if you've been trading a while, and especially in day trading, we do have a day trading chat room that I think you should look into. And if you go to Grok Trade, you're interested in cryptocurrency, you can fill this one out, but we get basic stock stuff here. But if you look down, I'm going to be doing 1 day class March 16th in Naples, Florida. and a one-day class in Naples, Florida on March 17th on cryptocurrency for beginners. That's what we're doing. Okay, so back to the markets. Your whole idea in life is investing in yourself and getting yourself highly educated and well-skilled in these markets so you can live through the turbulence. And not only live, but thrive through it. Because the markets go up the stairs and jumps out of the window on the way down. What we want to do is take advantage of that, especially going down, because the markets drop 66% faster than they rise. There is great money to be made there. Great money. So if you want to skip the education and just go into the day trading chat room, feel free to do it. It's very fast and you need to know how to put on your own trades. But Mark is killing it. Mark the Meerkat, killing it in there. And if you want to know how to wield the sword of technical analysis, hang out with us through mentoring. You can do that. Check this out. Markets are there. So we're going to quickly look at some charts here. NASDAQ, down, busting all sorts of support. Small caps, down, breaking major support. We have the 200-day acting as support. Financials, major support broken. I mean, just a train wreck. I virtually have sells on all of my stocks, on the Dow 30 and my tech stocks. There's only a few buys that I still have active. Just so you know, we're not going to take the time to go through it. I'll do that on my weekend edition. But check this out. U.S. oil on a down slide. For you guys who are new, I have these calls. These are my buy and sell calls. And you can see for yourself the money that is to be made with our level of education. And what you're learning here, I don't teach hardly anything, but to some of you, you feel like you're learning a lot through my videos, but just know it's all relative. This is preschool stuff, preschool. What we share here on the free content is preschool only. We're going to quickly get you into grade school, middle school, high school, and then college, and graduate. I mean, we're going to do that through our training. Just know that. Here's the gold. Gold's down, but it's acting like it's wanting to bounce here. Silver, down. It's no good. VIX spiking, just up and away. Bitcoin, put a buy on it a few days ago, and it's going higher. We're at a resistance point. It needs to bust up over this red line and this blue line. If we can do that, we should see a sizable breakout to the upside. GBTC is up, but it looks like it could be a sell. This is a bear pullback. This could be a short opportunity for GBTC. So be careful out there in the markets, guys. Just like I said in yesterday's video, it might be a good time with 401ks and all to roll over to the money market, over to the bonds, or some sort of government bond type ETF or mutual fund, where when you look at its chart, it looks like a flat line. And that's what you want to do. It's like burying your money in the backyard, but it's still in your 401k. Just think about preserving capital, because if we do start to tank through the rest of this year and we start to bounce, you will be in a position to move that back into like small caps, ETFs, or mutual funds, and buy up a lot more of those mutual funds than you would have had otherwise, because you're buying them up. You take all that money that you buried in your backyard in the government bond fund or the money market, whatever, and then when the markets bleed out, you can buy X% more of those, and that's to your benefit. And ride that up. And when you see the double top or a rising wedge, or whatever trend, head and shoulders, whatever reversal pattern you see at that point, move it back into the money market. Wait for it to drop again. Last year I had a JOB that I had a W-2 job. Last year I had that. I grew my 401k by 70%. Both owners of the company that I worked with have, when I left the company, they saw my 401k and what I was doing with it, and they both came to me privately. To this day, neither of them know they have come to me, but they asked me to trade their money for them. And when I told them what my fees were, they declined. And Yeah, that's probably wasn't the best decision on their part. But anyway, yeah. But what I do care about is those people that's been with me, that's been followers, and you're getting hurt in this market. I do fear for you. Not fear for you. I do care deeply because we work so hard to amass our wealth, and to see it drain out is there's nothing good about that. And especially if you're nearing retirement age, you need to safeguard that money and then maximize. Every dollar needs to be working for you, making money, going in the right direction. You got to have a plan in place. You have to have people surrounding you that know what they're doing. You need to be guided. You need to not be on an island by yourself. You need to be locking arms with professional traders, those individuals that are in the markets on a day-to-day basis and know how to navigate all type of weathers in the market. Make that your tribe. So I believe here at Grok Trade, as the owner and founder, we have a great ecosystem, very healthy for traders to develop and thrive. So anyway, that's it. I've got dinner plans, I gotta go. So we will catch up with you guys later. Do not miss the weekend edition. We'll see you.